I'm making flat, fluffy buttermilk pancakes. Let's see what are the ingredients I need for this recipe. I need 250 grams of all-purpose flour or plain flour, 2 large eggs, 360 milliliters of room temperature buttermilk. Need to be at the room temperature. Buttermilk need to be at the room temperature. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, 76 grams of unsalted melted butter, 65 grams of granulated sugar. Let's sift all the dry ingredients together. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and pinch of salt. We don't need any lumps in our batter, so it's better to sift. And sugar as well. What I'm doing next is mixing all the wet ingredients together. Eggs. You can use a balloon whisk to whisk your buttermilk and eggs. Make sure your buttermilk at the room temperature. Now I'm adding melted butter as well. Now I'm putting all my dry ingredients into measuring cups because it's easy when I start making the pancakes. When I pour the batter into the pan, it's easy. That's why I'm put everything into the measuring cups. Now my wet ingredients are ready, so I'm pouring into the dry ingredients. Let's mix. Make sure you add wet ingredients little by little. Don't add everything in one go. So I'm getting there, so let's see. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. mix well. Now, now you can see the consistency. You need to have this consistency. If not, you can add little bit of buttermilk. Now you can see the consistency. Now I'm going to set for good 10 minutes to settle the batter. Meantime, I'm going to preheat the pan. Now I'm going to set this one for good 10 minutes. My pan is preheated now, so I'm going to butter my pan. Actually, I'm using a measuring cup to pour the pancakes in. So if you would like to have equal sized pancakes, it's better to have a measuring cup. Cook your pancakes at low-medium heat. My pan is quite big, so I'm going to pour another one. You can actually see bubbles are forming up. You can see one of them got loads of bubbles formed up. So this is the right time to flip your pancake. Don't rush to flip your pancake quickly. Let it cook slowly. Now I'm flipping my pancake. Look, you can see this is golden brown on one side. So I flip my pancake. The other one is not quite right yet. I cook both sides of my pancake. This is the right time to take it off from the heat. Cook your pancake like this. My fat, fluffy buttermilk pancakes are ready. I made some small and giant pancakes as well. And I decorated with some fruits. And I'm going to pour some golden syrup. I hope you like my yummy, delicious breakfast. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, share with your family and friends. Thank you.